I am very willing to help, do whatever I can to get them certified in anything they want to get certified in, and the group stands behind them on that.
Brad McClure here, and I'm in Stuteville Ford in Atoka, and I'm here with the service manager, and I'm going to let him introduce himself and kind of give you a little bit of background. Help automotive service technicians get jobs at Oklahoma Ford dealers. I'm the Ford Dealers of Oklahoma's technical recruiting liaison. I facilitate and initiate the hiring process. If you or someone you know would like more information, please contact me at 918-928-7433. Email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Now let's get back to it.
Hi, I'm Brad Russell. I'm the service manager here at Stuteville Ford in Atoka. I've been here a little over a year. My background is actually with Chevrolet. I was with our Chevy store in Durant for several years. I'm looking for, guys that can do diesel and transmission and everything else too. Diesel and transmission, I feel like in the future is going to be, it's going to be a big thing. It's going to be sought after.
We've got the asset program, and we got the career tech out here at Kamishi Tech.
Sure, yeah, I actually have an asset student that will be graduating about a year. He's going to be a really good tech. I've had him with my diesel guy. He's interested in diesel. I also have two young techs that are working towards their master, and they're both working really hard. Matter of fact, one of them goes for the 2-week block electrical course. He's kind of dreading it and looking forward to it, but I am very willing to help, do whatever I can to get them certified in anything they want to get certified in, and the group stands behind them on that. The group is very willing to put out the money, and it is, it can be a considerable amount of money, to get a guy to a master with the hands-on schools and stuff like that, but very willing to do that and help them any way I can. At the moment, I've got two 20-plus year master techs they're very beneficial to the shop and to the young guys. They've been there, done that, and they're both very willing to help them.
You say you can help somebody go to the school. What does that entail? Do they get paid to go?
Yeah, like the two guys that are working for me now, they're full-time technicians. Most of them have, several certifications, but they're working towards their master. And what we do is we just, as they complete the online portion of the test, they become eligible for the Ford hands-on school. There's several of those that you have to get your master. We pay for all of that. We pay for the hotel room, we pay for the training, we give you a car to drive down there, we pay you a per diem for food while you're down there, and that's what I'm saying. We don't mind investing in the techs. Like with Jared, that's going to be going to this 2-week block course. We're talking about 2 weeks of hotel rooms and everything else. It can be upwards $1,000, $1,200, on some of these larger courses just to get the guys there. But we believe in our techs, and we want good enough techs that we believe in the training enough. We're willing, very willing, to put that money forward to help them not only progress, but to help the dealership too.
If somebody was to look at Atoka, look at Stuteville Ford, and they wanted to come down here and go to work, say they're from another state or a big city and they're just wanting to change.
Yeah.
What's great about Atoka?
What's great about Atoka is it's country. It's laid back. It's a small town in Oklahoma. Just the outdoor, if you're an outdoor guy at all, the things you can do in the outdoors here, hunting, fishing, you've got some of the best Oklahoma has to offer within 30, 45 minutes of here, as far as lakes and hunting opportunities, lots of, public land and just places to go hiking if you're into that, or, take your dogs out or whatever. And it is a little slower paced life than the big city. You don't have to get very far out of town and you can live in the country. We're a big city, you may have to drive 10, 15, 20, 30 miles before you feel like you're out of the city. Here you could be 3, 4, 5 miles outside of town, have you a quiet place, in the country.
Speaking of that, which if it's not in the city, cost of living is considerably less in this area.
Considerably less. It's going to be, obviously you don't have access to amenities like you do in a big city, but then again, we're only 40 minutes from Sherman, Texas, which is a fairly big city, and really only about an hour and a half from Dallas. It's kind of the best of both worlds. You can run down there on a weekend, to Dallas, do whatever you need to do, and then, live your life. I know a lot of people with children. They're wanting to get out of the big cities and get their kids in a smaller school. Maybe they feel like it's safer, maybe they feel like they get a better education. I've actually had some guys talk about that too.
Casinos, this is Indian country. Is this
Yeah, man,
casinos around?
we got one of the biggest ones in the state, you know, just 30 minutes down the road. I actually get quite a bit of business off of it, believe it or not, too. You know, people travel to it and have issues. We try to help them out and take care of them, but yeah, it's great. I mean, great restaurants, you know, they have all kinds of entertainment. I mean, not just the gambling, you know, concerts and big names, you know, that we wouldn't get around here. Like, heck, just not long ago, Keith Urban was here, you know, Blake Shelton's been here, Reba's going to be here soon. That's another thing, too, here in Atoka that we're all looking very forward to. Reba is actually opening a restaurant here. They're saying they're a month or two away from completion. It's going to be a big deal for Atoka, too, you know. It's a great little place to live.
What's the name of that casino?
That's the Choctaw Casino.
Choctaw.
Yeah, it's on 75, and then just east or west of here on I-35, you have the Chickasaw Casino, and they're two of the biggest casinos in the state.
You got anything to add? You got anything specific?
No, just that I appreciate y'all doing this. You know, I think it's a great thing. You know, let some young guys or older guys looking for a change, you know, get a firsthand view of what's going on with the dealerships before they make a decision.
Somebody want to contact you directly, how do they get a hold of you?
Sure, absolutely, man. They can call us here at the store anytime they want to. They can email me, but yeah, they can contact me directly anytime.
Well, I appreciate you doing this, and I appreciate you letting me come and do videos and pictures of your
I
store and
appreciate
everything.
you, man. I do. Thank you.